The completed code is on GitHub. The URL is below. Use DSL. Prove download is successful. Create folder. Type is image vector. Copy. Import icon library. Copy. The content to be displayed in the bottom navigation bar. This is the content to be displayed in the bottom navigation bar. Okay, the path is written. Next step is to set up NAVHost. Import navigation runtime KTX. Automatically added. Now start destination. Import error because at composable is not used. Import navigation. Compose. This time there is start destination. NavHost is a composable function, and only combinable function can call combinable function. NavHost is a composable function, so it must be wrapped with a composable. Root does not specify a default value, so we need to specify the value of root. Several other parameters of composable are assigned values. If you don't understand here, you need to learn the Rally course, link below. Add a new homepage folder. Add home screen file on home. Copy. Copy. Home was previously defined in the path. This time we set up account. Cut. Account page. Root amount page. Shift plus F6 rename. Account transfer page. Capitalize first letter. Copy. 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 New account page. Return to home page and save scroll position when returning. Pop to a given destination before navigating. This will pop all non-matching targets from the return stack until the target is found. Select parameters for ID. Start as a single top, i.e., return the top of the stack with at most one copy of the given destination. Restore any state previously stored by the pop-up to builder, save state or pop-up to save state property. Has no effect if the status of the navigated destination ID has not been previously saved. Material Design Official Website. Navigation bar. You can view the sample code here. We see the parameters of Material Design 3 navigation bar. A simple example. Using Material Design 3 navigation bar. Selected item. Use remember to remember the status of this item. Selected is the color area under the house. Indicates that the home location is currently open. Then a list of items is required. Open destination file. This is the list we defined before. Using Material Design 3 a Euro-S navigation bar. Use for each indexed or for each on items. Two parameters are used when using index. Using Material 3 a Euro-S navigation bar item. Set icons and labels in navigation bar items. House is icon. Home is the label. Set selection equal to index. Click method. The following is a description of the parameters. Copy. Delete. Requires a saved state of a selected item. Using mutable state. The interface requires a type parameter. Then you need an items. Type is list. Generic file with path written on it. Delete. Alt plus Shift plus up. Material design 3 components. You can read the following instructions. Translation plugin can be installed. This project uses for each. Content description. Select equivalent to current screen. Navigation bar current screen. This it is the object in the navigation bar. The object home has an icon and a path. The type can be omitted and not written. For example, the currently open screen is home, then selected will have a prompt on the navigation bar, light green part. After clicking we want to navigate to the screen of the corresponding path. Since NavCantroller we provide it outside, so we provide it with raw materials, parameters. NavCantroller we provide outside. We only need to hand the object to the place where app bottomAppBar M3 is called. Define the declaration of this lambda. The specified parameter type is app destination, path. Now we add the app bottomAppBar to the scaffolding. By default we delete. Use themes. Copy the name if you don't know. The setting of theme files will be explained in another course. Use Surface. This will apply the theme's color scheme. Using Material 3. Use Scaffolding for quick layout. Scaffolding can be built: top bar, bottom bar, floating action button. Add attributes to it. Use Remember to remember the status. Use Saveable to save the lost state caused when rotating the screen. Use Mutable State. Initially set to true, it means the bottom navigation bar is visible. We can use it later during animation. Set current screen. First we set the current return stack state. Entrust navCantroller to complete. Current backstack entry. Current destination equal to the path back to the stack. Use Find to find the root of an object in a list. If not found, give home object. Encapsulated in curly braces. The item screen parameter is to store the home or account object. When calling onClick, hand the object to it. It is one of the objects in the bottom bar items. Call onClick function. Find the declaration of this function. The implementation of lambda. Get the object and then execute the root of the object. Once you know the root, you can open the corresponding screen. Run and see. Blank. Repeated clicks will not reload the screen.